now see the floral formula given. So the floral formula for this Liliaceae which they have given is the this what we learned. It had a bractate, it is actinomorphic, and it is bisexual. Perianth and the androecium are seen, and gynoecium is seen. Let us see the floral diagram of it. So first we have to draw the symmetry, which is the actinomorphic symmetry. See here, actually it should have a plus, they have not given it in your textbook. And then comes the next part, which is the perianth. So perianth is nothing but it is the fused sepal and petal. So you can see 3 plus 3 on the parnitula. So 3 of the perianth will be outside and the other 3 will be inside, and they will be fused up together, right? So that is why they are put into a whole bracket. And then comes the androecium. So this these structures are the androecium, this one. So these structures are all androecium, and how many androecium will be there? There will be 3 plus 3, right? So 3 on the one side of, that is in the perianth of 3 will be present, and in another 3 the other 3 androecium will be present. And how are this perianth and androecium? They are to be fused together. So what happens, you can see there is a line which is connecting the perianth and the androecium, so which shows that it is adhered to one another. Okay, so they are epipetalous, they are attached to one another, and that is shown with the help of the rod like structures or line structures which is drawn below the androecium. And now coming to the gynoecium portion. So here also in your textbook they have not given the superior ovary എന്നുള്ളത് underline ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല, you just do it. Okay, so here you can see the center portion is the gynoecium. We told that it is tricarpellary, which means that it will be 3 carpels will be there which are fused up together, and 3 locules will be there, or 3 chambers or empty spaces will be there with many ovules on it, and it has axial placentation. Axial placentation എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ in the axis we can see ovules. You can see it here clearly. So this part you can see how the blue colored part, which is the ovule, is presented. These are present in the axial placentation. Okay, so this is about the gynoecium. So this is how the molecular that is the floral formula is represented and the floral diagram is drawn. So they have given bractate also. Actually there should be an arc like structure here, that is also not given in your textbook. So a bractate should be drawn, so which shows that it has leaf like structure. ഇങ്ങനത്തെ structure അവിടെ ഉണ്ടാവേണ്ടതാണ്. It is not given in your textbook, you just draw it, children. Okay, so this is about the floral diagram and the floral formula. Now coming to the economic importance of this Liliaceae family. Most of these plants, they belong to this family, are very good ornamentals, right? Ornamentals ഭംഗിക്ക് വേണ്ടി വളർത്തുന്ന flowers ആയിരിക്കും or plants ആയിരിക്കും. Example is tulip and gloriosa. You can see the gloriosa and tulip plant. These plants will have beautiful flowers, right? So bright colored flowers ആണ് ഇവർക്ക് കൂടുതൽ ഉണ്ടാവുക. And medicinal value, example it is seen in aloe plant, aloe veras, right? So it is acting as a medicinal plant. And then comes the vegetable which is the asparagus. So this is the asparagus which is used as vegetable. You can see it here. So these parts can be used as vegetables. And then comes the last one, which is the colchicines. So these colchicines are nothing but they are extracts from the plant which is called as Colchium antolinae, and from this plant they are extracting colchicines, and colchicines are used to treat a disease called as gout. Okay, so it is used in the treatment of disease called as gout. So these are the different economic importance of Liliaceae family, children. So they have shown the example of the Liliaceae in case of the onion plant here, and then they have shown the inflorescence and different plants. Okay, you can see the inflorescence they have mentioned, that is umbellate clusters. So these are umbellate clusters, which is a type of cymose inflorescence. Okay, so what is the botanical name of this onion? It is Allium Allium cepa. Okay, and what is the botanical name of this mani takkali എന്ന് പറയുന്ന പ്ലാന്റിന്റെ botanical name it is Solanium nigrum. Okay, and then the Fabaceae family, the garden pea plant, so its botanical name is Pisum sativum. Okay, so it is Pisum sativum, which is a commonly called as pea plant. Okay, so this is about the different families, children. So I hope you are clear with this. So all these parts you have to learn by hearted. In your question papers you will get questions like explain the semi-technical description of Solanaceae family, or they can ask you to ask like semi-technical description of potato family. Okay, so like that they will ask questions. We have to be clear while answering about it. So you should you should read the names of it properly, understand the differences between them, and then by heart it. Okay, children, Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you.